Ever thought about what it takes to make a single pill? Let's pull back the curtain.
So here's the big question. With billions of pills made, how is every single one safe?
We're going to break it down by looking at the place, the people, the rules, and the proof. First up, let's just wrap our heads around the sheer scale of this challenge. It's huge. This is way more than just mixing ingredients. It's a massive industrial process where mistakes are not an option. So, how do they manage it all? Well, it starts with a very special kind of building. This isn't just any factory floor. Everything flows in one direction to stop any chance of contamination. Each area you see here has one very specific job, keeping the entire process under tight control. Literally nothing is left to chance. But, who's actually doing all this checking? Okay, let's think about this like we're in a world-class kitchen. It helps, trust me. You've got your taste testers. These are the quality control folks. They inspect the final product for problems. Then you have the master chef, or quality assurance. They design the entire system to prevent problems. So here's the key difference. QC finds defects in the product, QA prevents them in the process. Now, both of these teams have to follow a very strict rulebook, one that's enforced by law. It's called CGMP, and these aren't just suggestions. They are absolute requirements for making medicine. The whole point is consistency. Every single batch has to meet the exact same super high standard. And these rules cover everything, often called the 5 Ps: people, product, process, procedure, and premises. Okay, but having rules is one thing. How do you actually know your system works? You have to prove it. This is called validation. Basically, you prove with hard evidence that your process works perfectly before you start. And it's not a one-and-done thing. It's a constant cycle of planning, doing, checking, and acting. And when I say everything gets validated, I mean everything. The machines, the cleaning, even the software. All of this entire massive system, is to make sure those billions of doses are perfect. The big takeaway here is the incredible hidden complexity that goes into the medicine we rely on. It really makes you think, right? What else in our lives should be made with this much care?